What's up everyone, it's Cheptiony Mutai here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on media tech, freelance and business. If you're a content creator who creates videos from an home setup like myself, you experience a lot background sound in your recordings, like background music playing from the streets, or your child is crying from the background. So in this video, I'm going to show you an AI tool that is free that you can use to clean your sound so that it remains clear and professional. Stay tuned.
Cheptiony Mutai, a legend in the making. Cheptiony, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world that is free, hear the freedom ring.
So before we get started, I would like to show you an example of the audio that I'm talking about, which has some background noise of children playing in the background while recording the video. I recorded from an home setup, so let's listen. What's up everyone, it's Cheptiony Mutai here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to clone your face and voice on Google Flow video generation platform. To get started, open your browser and search for Google Flow and open it. As you can listen, in that audio that I have played, in the background, there is a child crying, and apart from other noises that are emerging from the background as I recorded the video or the voice over for this video. So I'll just play again the results after cleaning the voice using this free AI tool that I'm talking about and that I'm going to show you in this video. This is the final results. Let's play the same audio. To get started, open your browser and search for Google Flow and open it. Create a new project if you've never used Google Flow before. So as you can hear, the background sounds or the background emerging sounds are cleaned up. So how do you do this? That is what I'm going to show you. So to get started, open your browser and go to podcast.adobe.com and sign up if you've never signed up with them. If you have an account, log in. Scroll down and come here to start enhance speech. It will open this screen here where you need to choose your audio. I'm using Camtasia Studio to edit my videos. So I come to a Camtasia Studio, then I come to export, then I say export audio only. Then I give it a name, then I export the audio. Once I have exported the audio, it will export the audio for the whole video that I am intending to clean the audio or the voice from. So once I have exported the audio, I come here, then I choose the file that I exported from the video editor. Then I choose from here. Once I have chosen my audio that I just want to clean with this free tool, it will upload and it will start uploading. And once it's done uploading, it will start cleaning the voice. This is the enhanced voice that has been cleaned. So as you can see here, it recognizes the speech. As you can see, the speech is 50%. Then there is background music that was playing while I was recording the video. Whatever that you get from here is good enough to use in your videos. What's up everyone, it's Cheptiony Mutai here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, this is good. So once you are happy with this enhanced one, you come to download. So you can use this for free. If you want to make further adjustments on your audio, you can get an upgrade, but I just want you to use the free version of this audio cleaner and you're good to go. And that is it. I hope you found this video helpful. I use this application for free all the time when I'm recording my content from home setup like this one here, where I have a child who is playing around. I don't have to worry about telling them to keep silent when I'm recording the video because I know I can clean my audio here. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to visit my website on cheptiony.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheptiony Mutai.
Cheptiony Mutai, a legend in the making. Cheptiony, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.